Come test drive the 2019 Avalon Hybrid. The Toyota Avalon Hybrid has a dynamic exterior look coupled with a premium interior. Of course, the Avalon Hybrid also provides you with the efficiency that you're hoping for when purchasing a hybrid vehicle and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.